Good morning, student teachers and classmates. My name is Lila, and today for my Science Life Hacks project, I'll be showing you how to do your DIY slime. Slime is more than a cute, colorful toy. It could actually be a good assistant in cleaning up your messes. Ready? For the slime, we will be using a clear glue. You could actually use colorful glue if you want, or you can just add colors, however you like it. Next, the slime activator. You can buy this in bookstores. Gloves, because we don't want the icky feeling in our hands, right? And for your colors design, again, this is optional and you can design or color your slime however you want them to look. All we need is to add the ingredients. I'll be adding some glue first. Okay, after the glue, we have to put the slime activator. Okay, it's being slimy. I have too much activator, so I need my food. Okay, since it looks so slimy now, we're gonna add color. The slime is going to be blue. So we're gonna use the purple one. Look, it feels sticky. I'm gonna mix it more. Let's do another color, guys. Okay, let's put the purple slime. It's so sticky. Okay, the picture is so guys, do you remember that I told you that slime can clean up your messes? Well, I'm gonna show you. So do you see this little stain I did? We're gonna clean that up with the mix. Because if we use tissue, we'll just get more See, it's working. It's kind of hard to do it because my son is still sick. Oh no, I'm stick to the gloves. That's it guys, my DIY slime. Thank you for watching.